Yo, what's up guys, SPT Trading here. Welcome to this channel again. So guys, today we're going to be looking at the level counting within the market structure. We're not going to be focusing more on the market structure, but I want to help you guys. There's a lot of people that are struggling to catch trades or to catch early entries. Reason being is because you do not know how to count the levels within the market structure. So what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be checking on how to count the levels within the market structure and use that confluence with whatever you're using currently to trade. So guys, bear in mind that this is a proven and tried and tested strategy, so you won't go wrong using this strategy. So guys, what's going to be happening, a lot of you know that the market has impulsive moves and retracement within the structure, but what you don't know is those impulsive moves, they are counted in numbers. That's why I'm saying the level counting, because the impulsive move is counted in numbers. It goes in the numbers of threes, and then the retracement, it goes in the numbers of twos. So guys, for this video, I'm gonna be helping you so that you can be a profitable trader. Yeah guys, before we do that, please don't forget to like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm so that other traders will find this content so that it can help them on their journey as well. Yo guys, let's watch the chart. Okay guys, yes, so now we are looking at our charts. This is volatility 100 from deriv.com or binary.com. I'll be putting a link in the description of this video for those of you who want to open an account with this broker. It's a very good broker, and remember guys, these markets are mimicking the real markets. By the way, it's not that they are mimicking the real markets. The algorithm that has been used on this market, it's the very same algorithm that you find on your currency pairs. You also find on your indices, your Nasdaq, your US30, German, and then these are called synthetic indices, meaning that they are computer generated, but it's still the same algorithm. Because even if I were to tell you, many of you will think that I'm crazy. Markets that most of you are trading, your Nasdaq, your US30, your German 30, those markets, they are also using price algorithm, meaning that it's one and the same thing with this one. And on those markets, there are no buyers that on any market, actually there are no buyers that are pushing the price, or institutional banks or central banks. As a matter of fact, let me correct this, there are no institutional banks that are pushing the price to go up to buy or to sell. The only people that can push the price or they can influence it when the price algorithm is going that way, it's the central banks, like the Bank of Japan, the one that carries the currency, Bank of South Africa, the one that carries the rand, Bank of United States, the one that carries the dollar. Those are the only institutions that can control, or not rather control price, but they can influence price. But price uses price algorithm, and price algorithm is found anywhere in the charts. It's not that buyers now they are coming into the market, they are buying the market, and when it's there overbought or oversold, the sellers are gonna come in and push it down. No, that's all nonsense. That's crap, guys. So yes, this is volatility 100. As you are looking at this chart, this is 15 minutes, and you can take it from 4 hour, any time frame you can actually find what I'm about to teach you. The level, the counting of levels. It's there on any time frame, guys. It's there as I'm doing right now. It's there on any time frame. And guys, remember this. It's a site that has been built special for binary.com or trading or derive trading view, but you can't take a trade on this site. You need to use MT5 MetaTrader 5 to take open trades. This one you can only use it for analysis, to analyze your market, and then you take your trades. So guys, yes, without any waste of time, what are we looking here? Here we are looking at chart. And oh god, if I was trading today, but the way I'm so disciplined, not trading, I'm just seeing this. Obviously this is very nice. Yes, it's liquidity, I know. It's liquidity. Many of you will think that price is bouncing and it's going to the upside, but as a matter of fact, it's actually going down. They are just trapping retail traders here, or dump traders that don't know how to trade. So many of you will think that it's a double top. Yes, it's going up finally. No, it's not going up, it's going down, man. um I'm not I'm not referring myself as a maybe your 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 institutional trader. uh, I'm still a retail trader, but I'm trading. uh, what I'm trading is actually um, yeah, what I'm actually trading, it's actually so clever in a way that uh, what I'm trading is actually perfected that you think I'm an institution myself, but no. It goes with maybe I can say experience. By the way, I have 3 years and a couple of months doing this. So yeah, it's 3 years and a couple of months. That's when I started trading. And best believe it, the reason why it took me so long, I was trading. When I get a loss, I quit. I go again and start to trade and learn how to trade. I get a loss, I quit. So yeah, so this is what I was talking about, the liquidity. See, it's appearing on almost everywhere. Price does this. People thought it was a buy. Yes, the, it went on their favor, but not for so long. If you are swinging, it came back again. It took everything here. So this is for those who are swinging. They like to hold, but we as scalpers, I'm a scalper. A reason I don't have patience to wait for the setup. I prefer to trade what I see, and because I have seen that it works, that's why I'm making money. It does not matter. You may judge me the way you want to judge me, it's fine. I prefer to trade for a few minutes, or sometimes if I see that a setup is about to happen, I'll wait for it. But other than that, I can't do it like the whole day looking at my charts. No, it's tiring, guys. So as you can see, liquidity trap here. It went up and then it came down to take all the stop losses and everything that was flowing here, money. But for that, a video will come for that. Today we're not about that. Today we're about level counting. Actually, in any market there's a level counting. Any market, as long as there's a chart, you will find a level counting, guys. So level counting, I just want to find out from you guys, what do you think it's level counting? Please pause the video or comment below on the below. I will open the comment tab. I won't close it. I want to hear from you. What do you think it's a level counting? I know most of you think this concept does not work, but yes, I've verified it, I've checked it, and it does work on all time frames, from your seconds, 1 minute. As long as there's a chart, it's there, it works. You just need to be careful and you need to open your eyes. So guys, by the way, I did not create this concept. It was created by Stephen Marrow, the professor or the founder of BIT, the market makers, BTMM. So I'm not the creator of this concept. Stephen Marrow is, he deserves all the credit. It's just that this concept works very fine with my order blocks, demand and supply imbalances, for my scalping. So there's no way that I'm gonna go in a market and lose. Yes, I will lose because I'm a human being, I make mistakes, but 90% of the time I'm on the blues. So guys, level counting, most of you will see this as a sideways move, but actually, um, us or people who know about level counting, they will tell you that this here, it's a reset, and then this is the peak, and then the market is about to start a new trend, or yes, a new trend. You see here, this is a reset, a peak, and then another reset, then the market went upside. So now it's created a new peak here. So we don't know, you just have to, the importance of this, it tells you where market is going to go. The importance of this level counting, it tells you where market is going to go, and you have high odds or high probability that market will go in your favor, as long as you follow uh as long as you follow uh what the instructions, as long as you follow the instructions, the market is going to go in your favor. The instructions are simple. You need to draw your level counting, and you need to know that level counting, they are not the same in all time frames. So let me uh, show you what I mean, guys. um, I will try and draw with this. Okay, I'll just draw here because I do not have anywhere. Okay, so guys, um this is what I mean. Now we add our 4-hour time frame, and then the confluence of 4-hour time frame, it's 1-hour time frame. For this for this 4-hour, I mean, let me, whoa, what did I do? Okay, so guys, for this 4-hour to complete a level, let me show you. Okay, rather I draw before I show you on the charts. For this 4-hour to complete a level is something like this, before a retest. I hope you're following, guys. Take your time, think about it. I hope you are following. So a level is this, it's one level. Retest, and then after retest, another level is created. Retest, another level, the third one. So guys, what's happening within these levels? Now we are focusing on the 4-hour. The 4-hour needs to have 3 levels, and those 3 levels are, for them to make a trend, they need to appear for there to be a trend. And then after the 3 levels have formed, we're gonna see something like a reset. I hope you did get me when I said there's a reset there. Don't forget, guys, level, uh, level, and then a pullback, level, pullback, level, and then there's gonna be something like a reset. I'll change the color for reset. This is reset, and then again back to square one. Level, pull back, level, pull back. Okay, sorry, I'm a bit clumsy. I was not a good drawing person, that's why I did not do art. And then level. So guys, let me try and fix it for you so that you won't judge me. I know I'm a very bad drawer, so please don't judge me. I saw Miss That Song by Chris Brown, by the way. So guys, yes, damn, I hope you can see that this is let me just do this. Okay, bear with me guys. Let me even do that retest perfectly. After a reset, we have this retest, and then level, retest, level, and then the market will be at a peak. So what is a peak? A peak will occur like this. Guys, I feel like now I'm a qualified teacher. Yeah, a peak, it's something that will appear like this. Maybe it can show you your W. That's a peak. Bear in mind, even here the market turns with a W. Sometimes this might form a head and shoulders, and then like this, and then the market will shoot up. Like, it will not come back again and break this level. It will shoot up. Now the market is changing trend, and don't forget that level, pullback or retest, level, retest, level, retest. The third one, market reset. Market reset is this one, guys. This one is market reset. So what's happening here inside the 4 hour? One level of the 4 hour is equivalent to 9 levels of 1 hour. Now, this is where it's gonna get confusing. This is where it's gonna get confusing. A lot of you probably now are confused. I'm saying to you, this level, let me change this color to green. Yeah, I'm saying to you that this level here, it's equivalent to 9 levels. Yes, here it's 3 levels of 4 hour. This level, it's 3 sorry guys, sorry, my bad. Within this level of 4 hour, this one level before the pullback, there are 9 levels of 1 hour. Why do I say so? The market will move like this on a 1 hour. This is what it will do. 1 hour, right? Level, pullback, level, pullback, level, and then reset. Again, level, pullback, level, pullback, level, reset. Level, pullback, level, pullback, level. Then this whole is completed. I hope you guys do understand what I'm saying now. This one level is completed by 9 levels of 1 hour. So you can do your maths on the 15 minutes, because 9 levels complete 1 level of 1 hour. So 9 levels, you will multiply the like 9 levels complete 1 level of 1 hour. So I'm pretty sure that it's gonna be 81 levels to complete the 4 hour level. it's going to be 81 levels to complete the 4-hour level. Only this one level, it's going to be 81 levels on a 15 minutes time frame, guys. And then bear in mind we still have another level. Bear in mind we still have another level to complete. If you are trading on a 15 minutes time frame, you still have another 81 levels to complete here. Then you still have another 81 levels to complete here on the last level, the third level, before market do a reset. This is not a retest, guys, it's a market reset. I will show you, we will go on our charts after this. I just wanted to explain this concept to you so that it goes inside your head. You need to think about it. Just think about it before you comment that I'm teaching false or lies. Think about it. How many times have you been in a trade and you're thinking it's going in your favor, and then the trade just turns back, or it just does a U-turn just like that without you noticing? It's because of you've been counting levels the wrong way, or you have not been aware of levels. So guys, this is what happens after a reset. It starts afresh again. Level, level, and a level again. Here it might be the market has reached our peak. So as you know, it's a double top, and within this area there's too much liquidity here. So within this area there's liquidity, market will go up and then it will come back and take all the money that is in here. There's money here, guys. Liquidity means money. There's money here, and then it will take off. It will take off to the upside. Now it's creating a new trend, and then this is what happens within the market. This is what happens within the market. And one thing that I would really love to emphasize is on your 4-hour, this is your peak. Right, this is your peak on a 4-hour, but okay, let me change the color. On your 4-hour, that's a peak, but on your 1-hour, your peak is gonna be like this. Guys, you need to understand this. Right, and then it's gonna be like this, and then to the downside. That's your 1-hour structure. So you must not be confused seeing that your 4-hour it's just creating A's and V's, and then your 1-hour it's creating a double tops or a W's or M's. This is how the market goes. So guys, how do you actually notice your levels within a trend? Trust me, once you understand how to get your levels within a trend, it's gonna be simple for you. It's gonna be easy for you. Let me put it like that. It's gonna be easy for you to take trades even if the trend is about to finish, because you know that now the trend is doing the last level, and then after this it's gonna be a big reset or a minor reset, and then you will be checking the confluence of higher time frames. If the market has reached all the levels, if it hasn't reached all the levels, the market is not changing a trend. It still needs to continue the way it's continuing. This is what I'm talking about, guys. This here, levels, 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 and then retest, and then you are thinking that the market will come back here and then it drops. No, but instead it does not drop. What does it do? It continues. Why? And while it continues, it's creating those levels again. Why? Because your higher time frame has not completed the levels. You'd find this level, it's only a quarter of this here. This is 3, and then it needs to complete another 3, that makes 6, and then the rest it completes, it makes 9. And then before it can do a reset, you might also try, I will a retest or a pullback. I will pullbacks are normally the explosives moves, or the pull, I mean the trend, besides the pullbacks, are usually going on 3 levels, guys, 3 levels, and then the retest are going on 2 levels. So this is so important, guys, that you master it. Retest always go on 2 levels. I will show you on our charts. I will also show you the impulsive move and the retest or pullback. The impulsive move 3 levels, pullback 2 levels, 3 levels, 2 levels, 3 levels. This is how the market goes, guys. And again, with this concept, I'm not saying that immediately after you understand this you'll be able to trade and make money. No, 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 no. You need to practice this. This is not a pyramid scheme whereby you give 5,000 2 days or 3 days after you're gonna get 5 million. It does not work like that, guys. This is the market. You need to respect this. The market, the price algorithm has been built to be like this. The people, the brains, and whatever brain that was behind this, you must respect that, guys. So yes, so we will go to our charts. I'm clearing everything that I was drawing there, so I guess you do understand what I was trying to tell you, guys. So let's look at our charts. So yes, here we have a trend. Yes, while you're looking this, it's a trend line. This is a 4-hour. Remember the same concept I was teaching you. 4-hour to create a daily level, it also needs to create 9 of those daily. Same to create 1 level of a week, it needs to create 9, guys. So do you understand the confluence behind everything? Once you understand that, you will be unstoppable. And once you see it, it's impossible to, it's very impossible to unsee it. So guys, this is what I was showing you or teaching you on those drawings. You see here, this is a peak. This here, it's a peak, guys. This is a peak. So you remember, I told you about this peak. Look the turning of this peak. Look, look, look. A perfect head and shoulder. I told you on the drawing I drew there. This is it, head and shoulder. But even if you are very good with seeing this thing, you need to be very good to see these things as they present themselves to you live. You know, I know so many people that are good analyzers, but they are very bad when it comes to trading. You can be a good analyst, but you cannot trade. Yes, you can maybe find a job to analyze the market and get paid a good salary. It does happen, guys. It does happen. Putting or pressing that buy or sell button, it takes a lot of guts. It takes a lot of guts. So if you don't have that in you or within you, I'm feeling sorry for you. So guys, this is what we about to look. Let me change the color to orange. This is what we're about to look now. And yes, I want us to spot the levels before resets. So I know a lot of you, before I even start doing what I need to show you, I know that a lot of you do levels like this. Not a lot of you, those who knows about levels, you do them like this. Level 1, level 2, level 3, reset, retest, reset. See here, there was no impulsive move, there was no trend or whatsoever. So this here, you cannot count it as a move. There was no move, it's still the same high, everything. This here, it's a peak. You must be able to recognize your peak. This is your peak. The market is finito here. It cannot go any further. It needs to restructure, guys. Get that. Get that. Peak, peak. 333 level. Retest 333 if it's still going up. No one knows. But Fibonacci levels can tell you that. I won't be teaching Fibonacci. I will post another video for that, but not today. As much as I will post another video for liquidity, so you guys understand how liquidity happens. Most of you, even myself, I have been a victim of liquidity. That's how they welcome you within this game of forex trading. So guys, the levels are like this, but I want to show you how to trade a level within a level. I hope you do understand me. So it's English. So there's a level within a level. I hope you do understand that, guys. I hope you really do understand that. So I will change my color again for this. I hope and trust it does what. Yep. So this here, it's sideways. We don't count that, guys. Focus. 1. Akir, we agree. Or we don't. We do agree. 1, 2, and then here, what do we have? Okay, what do we have here, guys? What do we have? Are you seeing this? A retest, not a reset, a retest. There's a difference between a retest and a reset. This is still a reset, a retest, I mean. And then that level, guys, that level, guys, that level, guys. And then that's where you have your retest, your reset, your market reset. See, your market reset is here, not this one. It's still a valid retest. Sideways, sideways, guys, sideways. Sideways are part of pullbacks. This happens. This is not a level. You do not count this. You do not count this. Again, guys, a level within a level. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm telling you, guys, I'm gonna pause this video and think about it. How many people in YouTube are doing this? Have you seen your mentors telling you about this? No one in YouTube has ever done this. All of them that are counting levels, they are counting the big moves, like the ones that are in orange, not in red. They are counting like that. But there's a level inside of a level, level within a level. This is how you make it. Then obviously you do understand. Reset. This is a reset, guys. This is a reset. Pay attention. Pay attention, guys. Pay attention. A reset. And then where's your level? Where does it begin? Where does it begin, guys? Where does it begin? Okay, 1. Guys, pay attention. Pay attention, guys. Pay attention to what I'm doing here, because I won't show you again at least this video is going to YouTube. So there's 2. And then what's happening here? It's a base. Rally base, rally, or drop base, drop. And then what happens thereafter? After base, market goes again to this direction. After that direction, what happens? A reset. This reset. And then market starts again. 1, 2, 3. Reset. 1, 2. Then it's actually, this is a peak. I wouldn't trade this if I were you, but you can trade it. I mean, this is a free country and it's your money, it's your account, it's your brains. I wouldn't trade this because I know that after this there's a peak that's coming. This is the hardwired reset. You understand, guys? And remember, I told you that a reset or what do you call this? A reset, yes, it goes twice. Remember, I told you that. Don't forget, it goes downwards twice. Or yes, twice. It does not go like a impulsive move, like 3 steps. It goes 2, like 2, and then it's done. 2, it not 3. Okay, guys, we do agree. Guys, I hope you do agree on this one. So so now we have a peak, and what the market is doing now, a double top, a double bottom, not a double top, sorry on that one. Remember, this here, it's a trap. I hope you did understand what I told you before. This is liquidity. When the market is doing this, I know that it's reversing after this. So I do not even bother myself by buying the market when it's doing this, because after, what's gonna happen here, the market will go and create an order block there. Create, not touch an order block. Keyword, create order block, and then it will take out these lows, and then what will it do? It will come back to this order block it created there, and then what eventually does, it break this low here. See guys, it breaks this low here, and most of you traders will be entering here. You want to jump on a speeding train or a moving train. You want to jump on that train, and then it smashes you. You could have entered here after the liquidity. Use your Fibs. I do not understand the Fibs on this platform. I usually use the Fibs on MetaTrader. This one, simply because it shows me colors, it does not even have any single percentage. So for that, I do not understand these Fibs. I wish maybe someone can tell me what wrong am I doing on these Fibs. But here are the percentages, so you can't, I mean, I don't have time to actually master the colors, that when it's green, or maybe when it's, yes, when it's dark green, it's 618, the universal reversal. No, I don't have that time. The only thing I'm actually I would rather use MT5, but this is what is happening, guys. This is how you count levels. This is how you count levels. Does it make sense now, guys? Does it make sense? If you do not understand, sorry, talk to me, guys. Talk to me, guys. Talk to me. Write in the comment below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe on this channel, and like the videos for me to create more content, so that I can have the energy to create content, guys. But does this make sense? Does really this make sense to you? A level within a level, retest, market resets and stuff. Does it make sense, guys? Does it really make sense to you? So here, this here, I don't know what I did, but this was a reset. This was a reset, and there's a new thing forming. Sorry about that, guys. I can see that there's a mistake I did here. I don't know what I did. I don't know where is this coming from. Let me just delete it, and then this here after a reset. This is a this is a pullback, and then this is a reset. Then this is what happened. One level, and then this is just sideways. You do not trade that. Then second level, and eventually at that level, guys. And then there was a market reset again. This is a retest, reset, reset, retest, reset. I mean, it's simple, guys. A level within a level. Do you really understand? This is not a reset, this is a retest. I remember saying that to you. I did not understand why was that orange big block doing here, the red one, I mean. So yes, levels, and then a reset and the level. Okay, I think I do understand why I made my mistake. It's good to understand your mistakes, guys. It's very good. A level within a level. So remember, I talked about 9. They need to be 9 exactly. Do you see this? It's a level. And do you also see this here after a base? That's a level, guys. This one before a market reset, that's a level. So another level, the first one is here. Yes, see what I was telling you about? You need to pay more attention on this. You need to focus more on this, because if you come here with your knowing, this thing is gonna play you. It's gonna play your mind. Remember, I said this is a consolidation. You don't trade that, it's sideways. So one level, we agree, right? Do we agree? Yes, we do agree. One level, second level, and eventually a big move before a market reset, third level. So let me change this, the color of this, to light blue so it cannot confuse you. This is just sideways. After a peak, market decided to do sideways to eat some money, and then it did the first, second level. Okay, first sideways, and this does not go anywhere actually, and then it created a level, and then it created another level. Then what it did, reset, level, 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 hard reset, level, 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 sideways, level, level, reset. Guys, the first level is finito, 9, 9, 3, 6, 9. Second level, same flop, same thing. Level within a level. If you can zoom in, you will see those levels I'm talking about. There's a level within a level. They are supposed to be 9. I can see 1, 2, and then a bit of sideways, 3, and then reset. 1. This one is a bit tricky. That's why this is what I'm saying. You need to train your eyes to see these, guys. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. You need to train your eyes to see this. Yes, it's fine if you miss it. It's still fine. It's still fine. Me talking to you, sometimes I do not see this. I do miss it. Yes, it's still fine. I'm still fine. There's nothing wrong. I did miss that, but I focus. And then I will try and find another setup so that I can eat money. The reason why I'm trading is because I want money. Okay, guys. So this here, it's still fine. If you have made that mistake, just as I did, as I was telling you, a lot of traders that are counting levels, they also make the same mistakes. So how do you use the levels with order blocks? As I'm trading order blocks, supply and demand, how do you use those? How do you use levels with order blocks or supply and demand? Or use your Fibs. Sorry, I won't be using Fibs here. You know why I won't be using Fibs. I do not understand how does this Fibonacci here works. So a level and okay, a level, guys, remember this, please. Level, retest, level, retest, level, reset. Please do remember that. You should remember that, guys. And then there's your next level. Actually, your next level starts here before the retest, and then this level starts there up to here. Never mind the base. I know that's a base. Yes, I know that's a base. Never mind that. You're not here for that. You're here for the levels and make money. So never mind that, guys. What's happening now? I need to change the color of this thing. Yep, I need to change the color of this thing to red. So guys, again, hard reset. Let me just do this for you so you can actually see what I'm talking about. A level within a level, all of them, they need to be 9, guys. 9. The market does not make a mistake. The levels are there. One level is created by 9. I hope you do see. I really hope you do see this. And remember, I told you, you're gonna make mistakes. It's fine. It's a mistake. It does not mean that you do not know what you're doing. You're learning, and it's okay to learn, and it's okay to make a mistake. Base, then this is the last level, because that's a retest, and there's a base within that retest. As you can see, reset, then another level here. So this level is unclear what's happening here, and I wish to explain to you what's happening, but I myself, I can't, and for that I won't be lying to you and deceiving you. But this here is not a level, and you do not trade this. I would say maybe some of you would say that my level starts here, but again, you cannot start your level here because there's a reset there. We can try and say this is the first, and then the second will be this one. What about the third one? Because this here, it's a reset, guys. This is a reset. What about the third level? Because here it's a reset, and then after that there was a hard reset. No, actually there was not a hard reset. What really happened was a retest. A hard reset is it's about to happen here. Yes, it's gonna go down, and yes, going down, it's gonna be a hard reset, also a trend. So it's gonna break structures. This is a peak. Never forget that this is a peak, so the market cannot go up further because that's a peak. So it's gonna go there, and then people think that it's still buying, their in profit, and then it comes back and breaks structures, take their money, it goes and do the order block, and then it goes back down. So guys, this is what I wanted to show you. Counting of levels, a level within a level. See how easy it is. It's very easy, right? I guess you can trade this and make money out of it. I doubt you're gonna make money out of this. No one makes money out of this, I guess. I'm just lying, man. You're gonna make a lot of money. 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. What do you see? 1, 2, 3. Dream 1, 2, sideways 3. How many? 9 already in this. I did not draw them, I was just telling you about them. This is what I was telling you about. And this is what I was telling you about. Telling you about this 3, right? 3, right? We agree. 1 again, 2, right? 3 again. 1, right? We agree. Do we agree, guys? Yes, we do agree. 1, 2, set 3. 3. Guys, count those are 9. The market's done and then it's resetting. So guys, this is the lesson for today. I hope you do understand what I was showing you, and I hope you will practice this and make money out of the markets. It's very easy to make money as long as you are disciplined and you follow your setups. That's more important, guys. I hope now you won't lose when you are trading a trend. For those of you that love to trade a trend, I hope you won't lose. Remember the 2 and 3 rule. That's very important, guys. The 2 and 3 rule, it's very important. As I was telling you about liquidity, this is what's happening. Some people are getting victimized. Man, what's happening with this thing? Some people are getting victimized. I mean, some people are getting victimized, like they are victims of the institutional, or rather than I say price, because price does this. Listen, look, double bottom. Price went up in their favor, and then what did it do? It came back. It ate all their profits. Those that are swinging, they just put positions and then they close their charts. They close their platforms. They do not want to see what price is doing. After that, it reached a peak, and then what did it do? It started a new trend. A new trend, guys, a new trend. So this is how easy it is to trade the market, guys. And don't kill me for giving this information, but I remember one day I was praying and I told God that if I do get to understand the markets, I will give the information for free. Because if you're making money, think about it, guys, you're making money in the markets, what's the use of you to sell information? Because you're making money irregardless of what you are making money in the markets. Some people that you are giving this information to, still they are not gonna win. I mean, they are not gonna win. So just give the information to people and continue doing what you were doing. So how do you trade this with OB? I will do that on a second video, but I can actually try and do some hints. As you can see here, there was no order block. Probably it's there on a smaller time frame, but still it's not valid. There was no order block, but what was there? It's the imbalance, guys. Imbalance. So it's another concept. There are a lot of buys here, and the price algorithm or the price did not give the sellers a chance. So this is a way of giving sellers a chance, and then here sellers had a chance and price just shoot up without any red or selling candle. So this is a way of giving them a chance. And imbalance, most of the time they happen within 50%. If you can take your fibs and count this, you can see it's 50%. This is a perfect entry as a 62, 062, yes, or 618, 62 when you round it up, or 618, a universal pattern, guys. And then price decided to shoot up. So guys, this is how important it is. Presets can come to imbalance. Sometimes they do come to order blocks. Let's find an order block. There we have an imbalance. Let's just type that. Resets do come to imbalance. This is an okay. Sorry about that. Imbalance. What's happening with my mouse? My keyboard. Okay, my keyboard at some point it does not want to type. I do not know what's happening, but it's still fine, guys. Let me just delete that. It's an imbalance, and then we're gonna look an order block where price hits an order block and then it decides to shoot up. This here is your OP. This here is your OP. You know how an order block works, right? A last candle before a break. That's an order block, guys. Don't get it confused. The last red candle before the break, that's an order block. Actual price came here. This is your order block area. And then after an order block, it came and retested the demand. There are two things here. See? But either way, if you are lazy, the order block and supply and demand, they are not the same thing, guys. Don't confuse those. Supply and demand starts a trend. Supply and demand starts order block. You can see here it's a demand. Then price, what did it do? It gave an order block which was respected here, and then there was a supply there. There's your supply there. There's your supply there. If you can take this on the other side where your supply really occurred, you can see that price, when it reached here, what did it do? What did it do, guys? Look, it still gave you. You need to focus, guys. Focus. So here we were given order supply, demand, and order blocks as well. And using your Fibs, you sometimes do not need the supply and demand. Again, this Fibs does not show percentages. I don't know why it shows colors. And then your Fibs will tell you, man, let me delete. Your Fibonacci would have told you where price will potentially reverse again. They would have told you that, your Fibs, right? Do we agree, guys? They would have told you where price would have gone. Remember, this is your 100 on your Fibonacci, 0, 100. And guess what? This is just a way of eating your money. Double tops, double bottoms. Remember the liquidity part, right? You don't remember the liquidity part. Double tops, price shoots up. Always use those things as your guide. So see, price really came. I really know that this is 100 here. Price came here. This is 100 here. What's happening? This is 100 here, where price came, and guess what? It also came on your OP. So what does it mean? You were not patient enough. The first OP you saw, you just entered, and the reason why you entered on the first OP you saw, guess what? Guess what's the reason that made you enter on the first order block that you saw here. It's because you do not understand how to count the levels. You thought the market now it's ready to shoot up. But if you knew that a reset takes time, resets do not occur as retest. Retests are so small and short. Reset is something huge before a market can actually take off. This is a reset, guys. This is a reset. You see how huge it is? And look at the retest. Look, this is a reset. Look at the retest. It's one candle, two candles, and then it's done. So you see a reset take time. As long as if you have bought here, is in and out of profit, and here you would have thought, oh my god, price is now changing on me, I'm getting out of trades, and then you would have taken a loss. You entered here, profit, out of profit, profit, out of profit, and minus drawdowns because it was hitting the demand. And then you thought, oh, price now is changing direction, now it's gonna be a downtrend. I've been there, guys. I know what I'm talking about. I've been doing those things in the past 3 years. I've been doing those things, and I'm so glad that I'm trading like this now. And then what did it do, price? What did price do? Guess what? Demand, order block again. Guys, you do not see what I'm saying. Demand, order block. I told you, demand creates order block. Even when price reverses there at the top, it starts with the supply before it comes back for an order block. See something? There was something I drew here. You see this? Here it will create a supply. This will be parallel to this, as a matter of fact, or almost similar to that, with just a little percentage, but it will be on this exact price here, that is 7355. yes, 73.55, same price as that. And then your OP will be somewhere here, guys. Focus guys. Your OP will be somewhere here. When it comes back, it will come back to your OP, and then it starts to move down. So guys, this is how price moves. This is how price moves. You need to be able to see these moves. You need to be able to make money out of these moves. These moves, they are always there on the market. You need to be able to make money out of those moves. So guys, I'm signing out. SBT Trading here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on the content that I'm making for you guys, so that I also will have the energy to do more content for you guys. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm signing out, and thanks for watching this video. It means a lot. More proper content is still coming. Remember, I've got a series lined up for you guys about the swing high, swing low. I'm still finalizing that series. Once it's done, I'll upload all the videos containing on that series. It's gonna have 9 episodes. It's a series, season 1, we can call it that. 9 episodes within it on how to use swing high, swing low structure and everything. But this is not included in there. It's just something that I wanted to show you. I wanted to make you understand how the market moves.